The science is really clear. For not one, but several reasons, we are going to be experiencing more frequent fires in some places. And in some cases, we will also be seeing greater intensities. And so we've got the choice. Do we either be reactive or do we be proactive? There are lots of interesting ways that we can build more resilience to wildfire. And so now is the time to start exploring those. Fire and plants have co-evolved together. They are in effect in a marriage, and because of that, plants have developed all sorts of interesting ways to not just survive fires, but to actually thrive in their presence. I've spent now many years researching scenarios just like that which ripped through Los Angeles in January 2025, while also studying the native ecology, the plants that have evolved to live with exactly these kind of wildfires. And I'm confident that even with the conditions that are now becoming very much prominent in that city, we can develop greater resilience architecturally and at the level of the urban structure if we migrate the learning from nature, if we transfer some of these strategies that nature has been prototyping for now millions of years to architecture and to urban design. Plants have already solved the problem of how we live with wildfire. The plants that are native to Los Angeles are perfectly adapted to this threat. And so when I saw the fires engulfing Los Angeles on the TV screens in January, that being a scenario that I'd already explored in my work, my research, both within and beyond my PhD, I consider it to be a call to action because we do have alternatives. And so this project has emerged, it's come about as, yes, a response to that specific event, but from the perspective that we can use this as our springboard to both designing greater resilience for Los Angeles and in that process actually create a model that can inform architecture, urban design, planning for other places, both within Southern California and places that are experiencing very similar wildfire behaviours. This is an opportunity for architects and for urban designers to explore working with the same principles that nature has evolved over millennia. This will give them the chance to explore a new design paradigm, but one that is very much rooted in an approach that humanity has been taking really since the advent of design, and that is looking to nature to help us solve our problems. This is a transdisciplinary project, which means that it is bringing together experts from a number of different fields. So we are looking for those that are both within the built environment, architects and urban designers and planners, among others. But we are also looking to bring together scientists, more specifically, those that are working with the native ecologies and those that are working in this particular space, in this particular territory. And we're also looking to bring on board wildfire sensing and other companies that essentially monitor for wildfire in the environment. The hope is that this is going to catalyse people's imagination. It's going to illuminate that we have a range of options. We are not reliant on all that has come before. We can still innovate, we can still create. And in this project, this is a unification of leading edge science, leading edge technology and design. And I'm confident that that will open up some very interesting possibilities for us. The first step is to get in touch, either by the website or they can reach out to me personally. Just let us know who you are, how it is that you would like to get involved, and then we will get back to you and start a conversation.